Hey there, my name is Ravina and I'm from Learn Canyon. And today we are going to talk about how learning organic skincare formulation professionally can be a truly empowering experience. By learning the art and science of making organic skincare products, you gain the power to create products that not only work wonders for the skin but also reflect your values and beliefs. You can customize your products to meet your unique skin needs and control the quality of ingredients you use, ensuring that you're nourishing your skin with only the best, most natural, and non toxic substances. Moreover, by becoming a certified organic skincare formulator, you gain a competitive edge in the beauty industry and the power to create your own product or work with other skincare brands. You can also empower others by sharing your knowledge and educating them about the benefits of organic skincare. But that's not all. Learning organic skincare formulation professionally can be a fun and creative experience. You get to experiment with different textures, scents, and colors and unleash your imagination to create products that not only work but also look and feel amazing. So, if you're passionate about natural beauty and want to take your skills to the next level, consider learning organic skincare formulation professionally. You have the power to make a difference and create products that truly reflect who you are.